Hi, welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Today I'm going to make applesauce, which is really such an easy thing to make. There's really no need to buy the processed stuff at the supermarket because it's just so quick and easy, and you can control exactly what goes into it, and you don't need to add any sugar either. So you'll end up with a much healthier product. And of course, applesauce is very versatile because you can use it in all sorts of things. You can use it in many desserts like pies, cakes, apple crumbles, or just as a topping for ice cream or fruit. It's really delicious even just on its own as a snack. And you can also use it as a replacement for oil or sugar in a lot of baked goods as well. And it can also be used in savoury dishes as well. So it's a really good thing to have on hand. So I'll show you just how simple it is to make. All you need is just a couple of apples. Any apples will do. And it's actually, if you have an oversupply of apples, this is a good way to use them up as well. Or even apples that have been sitting around for a long time, you can use them up in this way. So I'm just going to chop them. So just remove the cores, but leave the skin on, because obviously a lot of the nutrients are in the skin. So we really want to be able to eat the skins, so we get all the benefits of the nutrients in the apple. And apples, of course, are full of vitamins. So just chop them now into just small chunks like this. Doesn't have to be too precise. Just so they're all fairly even. Okay, and just into a saucepan. Alright, so I'm just going to add some lemon juice. So just about a half to 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So I'll just get rid of the seeds. It's about a tablespoon of lemon juice. And I'll add about 3 tablespoons of water. So for a little added flavour and a bit more nutrition, we can add some spices. So I'll put in about half a teaspoon of cinnamon, which goes well with apples. And another spice that goes well with apples is clove powder. But just a tiny bit of this, because clove powder is very strong. So you don't need too much of that. And if you want to, you can experiment with other spices. You could use nutmeg or cardamom or ginger, just whatever you prefer. That's about it. Just mix it around a bit. So now I'm just going to take it to the stove, put it on a high heat until it starts bubbling. And then I'm going to turn the heat to low and then just leave it like that with the lid on the pan until it softens. So it's starting to bubble and boil. So just stir it a bit. And just put the lid back on and just turn the heat down to low. And leave it like that till the apples go soft. And just keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. But if they do start to catch on the bottom a little bit, it's okay, because it'll give the applesauce a bit of a caramel taste. But obviously don't let it burn fully. So just a little bit of caramelization is good, but just watch that it doesn't burn, because I have burnt it before. Alright, as you can see, the apples are now soft. So if you wanted chunky applesauce, you could just mash them up a bit. Or if you want it smooth, you can blend them. And you can add a little bit more water if you need to make it a bit more of a sauce. So just put them in the blender. So just add just a tiny bit more water before I blend it. We have a nice smooth applesauce. And all you need to do is put it in the fridge and you can keep it in there for quite a while and just use it in whatever recipe or dessert you like. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.